Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Johart and I love sewing. So in this video we're gonna be ano, re-repair ko yung pantalon ko na naukay kasi masyado siyang mahaba. Okay, let's go. So I've already measured 5 inches na ikakat. Then I also pinned para pantay pag yung yon. Oh my god. So, next guys is yung technique ko, pinuport na fold, tapos may basting stitch. Ganyan. Running stitch lang. Okay, so ito yung kinalabasan niya. Ang next na ginagawa ko is, mag-measure ako ng 1 inch dito, then fold, then pin, ganon. Okay, so after ko matahe, gawa ko ng itong dalawang tools na to. Seam ripper and yung thread clippers. Then we're just gonna be cutting and removing the black threads. Yan. So, gagawin ko lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Tatanggalin lang. Then, tapos na siya. Okay, so let's go for the final reveal.